Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we're going to take a look at the trading end of the MT4 platform. Now, one of the reasons that the MT4 platform is so popular is that opening a position in the market and indeed managing a position and closing a position is very, very straightforward with the platform. And as I'm sure you won't be surprised to hear me say, that there are several different ways to tackle the issue of opening a trade on the platform. So let's start with the newest feature, which has not been available that long, which is basically trading from the chart. I touched on this in an earlier video, but if we scroll up to the little drop down arrow here, click on that. This opens our order terminal here, and if we click on either of these, it will open our order window, which looks like this. At the top, we have the currency pair that we're trading. In this case, it's the pound dollar. Below that, on the little drop down here, we can choose our order size, and we can either trade in full lots, or we can trade in mini lots or micro lots if they are available. Not all MT4 brokers offer the micro lot option, but certainly you will find mini lots and obviously full size lots. Below that, you have your stop loss and your take profit. Now, if you click on the stop loss, this is another really, really nice feature of the MT4 platform in terms of placing a stop loss when you're opening a position. You can see there as I'm scrolling up and down, moving the stop loss around. The markets are not open at the moment. If they were, the charting window to the left here would be moving with live prices. But as you can see, we're moving the stop loss up and down, so it shows you where the stop loss is in relation to the market price. Alongside it, you'll see it has the notation SL, and this is how it will appear on your chart as well. When you open a new position, you will have the SL symbol on the chart as well. Take profit works in exactly the same way. You can see there moving up and down to take profit in the market, and that will be the TP notation, and again that will appear on the chart. Now, the order type here is instant execution. As you can see here, we have no other option. This is the only option we have here is instant execution. So once you click the buy or sell button, which is below here, the buy button or the sell button, then that order will be executed instantly in the market at the best price. So there we are. That's the order window, accessing it from the trading from the chart option. And if you want to close that down, hide the trade panel, just click on that, and that's gone. So that's one way to access the order panel. Now, in the toolbar that we looked at earlier, up here you can see we have a new order option. If we click on that, this opens a very similar order panel, but with another option that was not available in the previous one. Exactly the same principles as before. You've got, we're trading on the pound dollar. Here you select your option size for your order. Here you put your stop loss in, any take profit order. But below here you can see alongside where it says type, we have the option of either an instant execution order. In other words, as soon as we click the buy or sell button, the order is executed immediately in the market, or we have the option of a pending order. Now, if we select the pending order option, this brings up some other order types. And if I click on the drop down button here, you'll see that we have 4 different order types. We've got a buy limit, a sell limit, a buy stop, and a sell stop. I'm not going to go into these orders on this particular video because these are more advanced, but I just wanted to show you that instant market execution gets you in straight away, but you also have the option of trading using a pending order. and slightly different arrangement below. You would click the place button to place that particular order rather than the buy or sell on the previous order window. And we click that off to close. And the other way of accessing orders is to right click on the chart itself, and you'll see here we've got the one-click trading option. If we click on that, that's another way of getting at the same thing that I showed you earlier. Click that off again. Right click on the chart, and you can see down here we have an option called trading, and here we can choose a buy stop or a sell limit order. If we click on that, that takes us over here, and we have the options here that I mentioned earlier on about pending orders. And as I said earlier, all these positions will appear on your chart. Your market entry and also your any stop loss or take profit orders will appear on the chart, and you can indeed close them directly from the chart as well by clicking on the orders there. Now, in addition to that, if you want to check on your positions, you can do that through the terminal window. Go up to the top in the top level navigation. We looked at this in one of the very early videos. Scroll down to the terminal window, and this will open at the bottom of the screen, and there you will find your trade position, exposure to the market, and of course any account history. And this would show your existing positions with your stop loss placement as well. So lots of detail around any existing positions. And if you don't want that on permanently, you can just literally click on the close button there, and that closes the terminal window down. So there we are. That's a very quick run through on how to take a position in the market on the MT4 platform. It is one of the many beauties of the platform itself. It's one of the reasons it is such a popular platform for trading amongst all levels of traders, because it's so easy to execute trades, to attach stop losses to orders before they're live in the market, and also the more sophisticated take profit orders, and also the limit and stop orders as well. So it's a great way to trade. It's an excellent platform for trading. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon, and bye for now.